a birthday cake kit. So I started with 2 sticks of butter and I melted them and I just added 4 tablespoons of cocoa. And I'm gonna measure a cup of boiling water. So I'm gonna bring it to a really gentle boil. And when it does that, I turn it off. So in this bowl, I have 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. And I'm stirring those together. And what I like to do first is pour the chocolate mixture into the flour and sugar mixture. And while that cools, I'm gonna mix the buttermilk mixture. So it's 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 2 beaten eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla, and then a teaspoon of baking soda, okay? You wanna keep stirring while you just kind of slowly pour in the buttermilk mixture. Okie dokie, this is all stirred together. Now I've got a cake all ready to go, and I actually put parchment paper on a sheet pan, and I sprayed it really well with baking spray. So here goes the batter. This bakes at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So the cake came out of the oven. I cut it into 4 equal rectangles, and I wrapped up 3 of the rectangles in plastic wrap, just so they stay nice and moist in the freezer. And I'm just wrapping the 4th one really tight so no air can get to it. That's the key. So 4 layers of cake, buttercream frosting, and it's just a pound of butter, 2 pounds of powdered sugar that I sifted, and a splash of vanilla. Put it in a plastic bag, and look, sprinkles. I mean, you might as well have the whole kit intact and ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna have some fun with this cake. So I'm gonna start with the buttercream. The buttercream was a little firm and I got sort of impatient. So I decided to just whip out the hand mixer and give it another little beat. So I'm just doing a layer of the buttercream frosting. Oh. Now I've got some just regular chocolate syrup. Watch this, Alex.
Ooh.
And just kind of to make the cake extra, you know, naughty. And then caramel sauce. Oh, how does that sound? And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the 3 other layers. Okay, oh my. If it sprinkles all over the top. Okay, perfect. I have more than enough sprinkles.
Cute.
Now that was time well spent back in December. Birthday cake from scratch in kit form. What do you think?
Love it.
Awesome. Love it.